Hello guys, I'm Abhinav. Ho ho ho, I hope you liked this new avatar of mine. This is what I am doing through a Zoom meeting. It is available on the new Zoom update, and I'm going to show you on how to do that. So to actually do this avatar, you need to go on the best or the latest version of Zoom, which is released like just 2-3 days ago. For that, click on your thing, click on your logo or icon and say check for updates. You need to be on the latest version, that is 5.10.0. Now, when you go for a new meeting, when you actually go on a new meeting, so what would you actually do is you would click here, click on video filter. When you click on video filter, you will go to avatar, and actually you can change your avatar, that is a cat and hoodie. So this is how you actually change. It's there we go. So if I turn this side, it will turn. If I turn this side, it will turn. So that's how you actually change your avatar. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you understood how to do this new feature, which is a really great one. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. See you there.